Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Fiber Optic Cleaning. Number 5. Fiber Optic Connector Cleaner ComShine KCC. Suit for SC, FC, Street, D4, U, LC, Mont, DIN. Over 500 wipes by 1 KCC 600. Has excellent anti-static properties to avoid reattachment of dust to the ferrule after cleaning. Dry special anti-static microfiber fabric. Optical transceiver module port. Number 4. Optical Connector Cleaner, Rise Pro Fiber Optic Connector Cleaner. Applicability: this optical cleaner box is designed to clean SC, FC, LC and can permanently material. This optical cleaner box is made of anti-static resin. Material: this optical cleaner box is made of anti-static resin. Easy to use, palm-sized and lightweight, which is very easy for you to operate it in cleaning the optical fiber. Widely used optical experimental research, also for indoor and outdoor optical fiber communication construction. Number 3. FTTH Fiber Optic Cleaning Box, Anti-Static Cassette Tape. Commercial grade, our FTTH Fiber Optic Cleaning Box is palm-sized. Field tested, used by our technicians in the field. 1 cleaning tape can be used. Anti-static, excellent anti-static properties to avoid reattachment of dust to the ferrule after cleaning. Reliably tested, every product we stock is field tested. We rely on these cleaning boxes for use. Trusted supplier, since 1989, Pacific Satellite Incorporated has been installing commercial CAD systems. Number 2. ComShine KCC 550 Fiber Optic Connector Cleaner. Over 500 wipes by 1 KCC 550. Designed for most kinds of optical connectors. Dry special anti-static microfiber fabric without any residues and lint and solvent free. For cleaning of dust / oil / particles / alcohol / etc. Windows for showing the remain cleaning times. Number 1. Fiber Shack, FTTH Fiber Optic Cleaning Box. Field tested, our fiber optic cleaner is pocket-sized. Reusable, our technicians in the field consistently use our anti-static fiber cleaner. Anti-static, This fiber optic cleaning tape has strong anti-static properties to avoid reliably tested. Every product we stock is used on mission-critical fiber networks. Trusted supplier. Since 1989, Pacific Satellite Incorporated has been installing commercial CATM systems,